It was early morning, the kind of morning where the world feels brand new and full of promise. The air was crisp, and the only sounds were the gentle lapping of water against the boat and the distant calls of waking birds. Mist hovered above the lake, swirling in ghostly patterns, making the water look mysterious and alive. The whole scene felt almost magical, as if anything could happen. I cast my lure along the weed edge. Heart pounding with anticipation, the lure landed with a satisfying splash, sending ripples across the glassy surface. Suddenly, the water exploded in a violent burst of energy. A giant northern pike, bigger than any I'd ever seen, hammered my bait with ferocious power. Its jaws snapped shut, and for a split second, I saw the flash of its teeth. The rod bent double, lines screaming from the reel as the fish tore away. The tension was electric, every muscle in my body tensed in response. I froze for a moment, stunned by the sheer size and power of the fish on the other end. It felt unreal, like hooking into a living legend. My hands shook as I tried to keep control, knuckles white from gripping the rod so tightly. Adrenaline surged through me, making every second feel stretched out. The pike surged again, a flash of white belly and green flanks twisting in the water. Its strength was incredible, and I could feel every thrash through the line. Every instinct screamed at me to fight back, to not let this monster slip away. I braced myself, digging in for the battle. I tightened my grip, remembering stories of lost monsters told around campfires, tales of the ones that got away, and the heartbreak that followed. Would this be my tale of heartbreak or triumph? The outcome hung in the balance, and I could only hope my skills and gear would hold up. Time seemed to slow as the battle continued, every second stretching into eternity. My focus narrowed to the rod, the line, and the unseen giant below. The fish dove hard, pulling line, testing every knot and piece of gear. My heart hammered in my chest, each beat echoing the tension in the line. I wondered if my leader would hold, silently praying that every knot was tied right and every piece of tackle was up to the challenge. Finally, after what felt like an hour, though it was only minutes, the pike slid into the net. It was thick, toothy, and wild, a true river monster. I stared, breathless, in awe of this incredible fish. Its size and power left me speechless, and I knew I'd remember this moment forever. That moment changed how I fish for pike forever. It taught me respect for these amazing creatures and the wild places they call home. Every big pike encounter starts like this, with surprise, adrenaline, and a lesson learned. Each one is a story waiting to be told, a memory in the making. Let's make sure your next one ends with a photo, not a sad story. Prepare, respect the fish, and savor every wild, heart-pounding moment on the water. Pike are not ordinary fish. They are the silent hunters of freshwater, perfectly adapted for their environment. They rule their world with speed, power, and razor-sharp teeth, making them one of the most feared predators in lakes and rivers. Unlike bass or trout, pike are built to ambush. Their entire body is designed for stealth and sudden bursts of energy. They hide in cover, waiting, watching, then striking in a blur. Their patience is legendary, and their attacks are lightning fast. Their long, torpedo shape lets them launch forward in the blink of an eye, closing the distance between them and their prey almost instantly. Pike don't nibble. They attack with explosive force, often surprising even experienced anglers. Your job is to trigger that attack, to provoke their predatory instincts and make them strike. Pike are driven by hunger, sure, but also by aggression. They're territorial and quick to react to anything that invades their space. They hit lures out of anger or defense, not just for food. Sometimes, it's about dominance as much as hunger. That's why flashy, noisy, fast-moving lures often catch the biggest fish. The commotion draws their attention and triggers their instinct to attack. To catch big pike, you must think like a hunter. Study their habits, learn their hiding spots, and approach with patience and strategy. Present your lure where a pike waits, near weeds, rocks, or drop-offs. Move it with confidence, as if it's a real vulnerable prey. Make it look wounded or scared. Pike can't resist an easy meal, especially one that seems helpless. When a pike sees easy prey, its instincts take over. The chase is on, and the outcome is often explosive. Every cast is a challenge. Each one is a new opportunity to outsmart this apex predator. Pike want to fight, not a nibble. They crave the thrill of the hunt and the rush of the strike. Give them a reason to attack, and you'll hook more giants. With the right approach, you can experience the raw power of nature's freshwater predator. Gear matters. When it comes to American pike fishing, having the right equipment isn't just a suggestion. It's the difference between landing a trophy and telling stories about the one that got away. Big pike test your tackle to its limits. These fish are powerful, aggressive, and known for sudden bursts of energy that can snap weak gear in an instant. Start with a medium-heavy or heavy rod, at least 7 feet long. The extra length helps you cast farther and gives you more leverage during the fight. You want backbone to set the hook and control the fish. A rod with a strong backbone lets you drive the hook home and steer big pike away from snags or weeds. For reels, a sturdy spinning or bait casting reel with a smooth drag is best. A reliable drag system is crucial for handling those long, hard runs pike are famous for. Make sure it can hold at least 150 yards of line. Line choice is critical, especially when a big fish decides to make a run for deeper water. Use 20 to 30 pound braided line. Braided line offers superior strength and sensitivity, letting you feel every twitch and bump. It's strong, sensitive, and cuts through weeds. Pike love to hide in thick cover, so you need line that won't let you down when pulling fish from heavy vegetation. Never use light line, you'll regret it. Pike can snap thin line with a single head shake, leaving you empty-handed. Above all, use a steel or thick fluorocarbon leader, at least 12 inches. This is your insurance against those razor-sharp teeth. Pike teeth are like razors. They slice regular line in seconds, so don't take chances. Always use a leader. Check your knots. Pike expose every weakness. A single bad knot can cost you the fish of a lifetime. Use strong, simple knots like the Palomar. Practice tying them until you can do it perfectly, even with cold hands. Test each connection before you cast. Give every knot a good pull to make sure it holds up under pressure. Bring pliers, a long-handled net, and a jaw spreader for safety. These tools protect both you and the fish during landing and release. With the right gear, you can fight back when a monster hits. You'll have the confidence to handle whatever the lake throws at you. Poor gear means lost fish and broken dreams. Invest in quality, and you'll be ready for that next big strike. Some lures just catch more pike. First, the spoon, a classic. Cast or troll a silver or gold spoon near weeds and drop-offs. Its wobble drives pike wild. Second, spinnerbaits. These work great in thick weeds. Bright blades flash and thump, drawing pike from cover. Third, jerkbaits. Use these in open water or along weed edges. Twitch, pause, and let the bait dart like a wounded fish. Big pike love an easy meal. Fourth, topwater lures. Early morning or late evening, cast these over shallow flats or weed beds. The surface action triggers explosive strikes. Change lures based on conditions. Bright days call for flashy colors. Cloudy days use darker, natural tones. Always keep lures moving. Dead baits catch nothing. Experiment, watch the water, and don't be afraid to try new retrieves. The right lure in the right place makes all the difference. Pike move with the seasons. In spring, look for shallow bays with new weeds. Pike spawn in these spots and hungry fish stay nearby. Cast along edges, near logs and reeds. Use slower retrieves. Cold water makes pike sluggish. In summer, pike often head deeper. Fish around drop-offs, points, and deep weed lines. Early and late in the day, pike may cruise shallower water. Use faster lures and cover ground. Don't be afraid to try big baits. Summer pike want a large meal. Fall is prime time for trophies. Pike feed heavily before winter. Target rocky points, deeper weed beds, and inflowing creeks. Use all 4 lure types, but slow down your retrieve. Fall pike strike hard and fight harder. Remember, pike are where the food is. Find bait fish and you'll find pike, whatever the season. The strike is sudden and violent. Don't rush. Let the pike turn and feel the weight. Then set the hook hard, really hard. Pike have tough mouths. A weak hook set means lost fish. Keep your rod tip up and reel fast to keep tension. Expect runs and head shakes. Pike often surge near the boat. Stay calm. Let the drag do its job. If the fish dives under the boat, lower your rod and guide it out. Never wrap line around your hand. Pike can rip it free in a second. Keep steady pressure. If the fish jumps, dip your rod to keep the line tight. Don't try to muscle the fish. Let it tire itself. When the pike is close, use a big net. Scoop, don't stab. Landing big pike is a dance of patience and strength. Practice makes perfect, and every lost fish teaches you more. Pike are tough, but they need care. Always wet your hands before touching a fish. Dry hands remove their protective slime. Use long pliers to unhook. Those teeth are no joke. Keep the fish in the water as much as possible. If you want a photo, be quick. Support the pike horizontally. Never hold it by the gills or eyes. Return the fish gently. Hold it upright until it swims away strong. Pike can be fragile after a fight, so give them time to recover. Follow local rules for size and limits. Some places require barbless hooks or special handling. Respect these laws. They protect the fishery for everyone. Safe handling means more pike for the next angler and for your next trip. Catch and release is more than a rule, it's a promise. Big pike are rare and precious. They're the breeders, the reason we have giant fish to chase. Letting them go helps lakes stay healthy and full of monsters. Never keep more than you can eat. Take photos, not trophies. Show respect for the fish and the water. Teach friends and family to fish responsibly. Simple actions, like picking up trash or releasing a tired fish, make a huge difference. Many U.S. states now have special rules for pike, slot limits, minimum sizes, and no-kill areas. Learn them, follow them. These rules are there to help. When you release a big pike, you're giving someone else a chance at the fish of a lifetime. Pike fishing is never just about catching fish. It's about the chase, the suspense before a strike, the explosion of water, the battle that follows. Every cast holds hope. Every hookup is a story. Even the fish you lose become legends in your mind. There's nothing like seeing a giant pike rise from the weeds, jaws wide, eyes wild. The power, the beauty, the challenge. They're all reasons we come back, season after season. Pike fishing teaches patience, skill, and respect for nature. If you're new, don't be afraid. Everyone starts as a beginner. Learn, try, and keep casting. The next bite could be your monster. Trust your gear, respect the fish, and enjoy the adventure. Chase your river monster. Tell your story. The thrill of pike fishing is waiting. Grab your rod and get out there.